Welcome back. Whereas Skype allows you to communicate one-to-one and one-to-a-few, you can also use Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams will allow you to communicate one-to-many as well as to collaborate and work in a group environment. Now, you are going to be asked by Microsoft Teams in order to allow it to access your browser. You may or may not choose to allow it. You will also be asked to download the application. For the sake of this video, we are going to skip that part. You can choose how you're going to be identified with Teams. You can add in a photo. You can then click Continue. Now, what you will notice inside of a team is that you have the same communication elements that are available to you in other elements. You can also invite specific individuals to the team that you are going to be working with. Inside of the calendar in Microsoft Teams, you will have all of the same elements that are available in your regular calendar. What you'll notice here is that you can also integrate a Google Calendar if you keep a separate calendar on that platform. Once you start a new chat, you'll be able to see that you can collaborate with files or any other media here in this area. So basically, when you want to communicate and collaborate with individuals that are going to be outside of your contact list, you can do so using Microsoft Teams to invite them to specific elements where you will be able to communicate in a shared interface. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.